So if we are to take a good look at this candle, we have each one. So if you take each candle, okay, each candle that you see here, see we have small one, we have this small candle, okay, you have one, this small candle, and these ones are bigger. The small candle is what is representing 1 hour. The small red candle is representing 1 hour. You can see here too, there's a small green candle. That one is also representing 1 hour. So it doesn't matter the size. As far as it is each one, that means it represents 1 hour. Okay, I hope you guys are clear. It represents 1 hour. Let's shift to what M1. That is 1 minute. Now on the M1, I want you to take a good look at something. On the M1, I want you to look at something. Look at the side. See, there's a red line here. There's a red line here. And then there's a green line here. Can you guys see it? See, there's the green line is having a price that is 194 in green, and then the red line is having the price in red. Okay, so this is what you can see here when you come to the quotes. See, they have two prices. When you come to the charts on the M1, you can see the two prices here as well. The space in between the red line or the price here and the price down here is called spread. Okay, it's called spread. So the spread is just the space between the buying price and then the selling price. So if I want to enter a buy trade, see, the prices are two. Okay, the prices are two. We have green and then we have red. If I want to enter a buy trade, okay, if I want to enter a buy trade, let's see where it will pick. Okay, is it going to pick the green one or going to pick the red one? Is it going to buy at the green line or at the red price? Let's see. For iOS users, you just have to tap on your screen and then this option will come for you to trade it. For Android users, you go back to your codes and then tap on the pair GBP AUD and go to trade. Now we want to buy, okay? Make sure your lot size is at 0.05 for a reason. No, we enter buy. Boom. Once we enter buy, let's go back to the charts real quick. We entered buy. Where did the price start, or where did our entry begin? Our entry started the red what price? The red price. Okay, our entry started at where the red price. So if we are buying, we will buy at what's the red price. If we are selling, we sell at what the green price. I hope you guys are clear. Let's take a good look. Let's take a sell on a different pair. Let's go to Euro USD, go to chart, and then take a sell. Okay. We are taking a sell. Let's see where the price is going to pick, the green line or the red line. Now we are selling here. Now where the sell started. See where the sell started. The sell started where? On the green line. Okay, on the green line. So if you zoom, you go to your trade side, you will see that you are in loss. Someone will be like, why am I in loss? It's because of the spread. Okay, so until this line crosses below this, you will still be in loss. If this one crosses below, that means you are getting into profit. So this is what is called the spread. Now we have buying price and then we have selling price. That is why you have two prices here. Okay. That's why you have two prices here. One is buying, one is for selling. I hope you guys are clear. If you are clear, let me know in the chat, okay? So that I can proceed. We have about 7 minutes to go. Oh no, we have about 3 minutes to go. Please, if you are clear, let me know in the chat box. Okay, correct. The rest, please, are you clear with what I'm sharing? Are you clear with my explanation? Please, if you are clear, just give me one in the chat box. Okay, great. Okay, thanks. So you can see from this side. So I'm going to give you an assignment. Okay, I'm going to give everybody an assignment. All that you have to do is these 4 pairs you have on your chart. Okay, go and play with it. Yes, just play with it. Play with all the pairs. Okay, we have GBP AUD, you have gold, you have Euro USD. Play with it. Okay, either by yourself, just play with it to be able to know how to, because trading is not just by watching one video. You learn by doing it. Okay, the only way to know it is by doing it. It's by practicing. Okay, so you practice. I'm giving all of you assignment. You go and do it right after this class. So just go to any of the charts of the pairs. You go to trade. You check your lot size. You enter. The first thing you have to do is go to your charts. Okay, go to your charts. Switch from time frame to time frame. So you start from M. Oh, come on.